Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. So I'm not completely better, but I'm here. So if I sound a little loss of voice-ish, I'm still sick, not 100%. So today we're going to be doing a different type of video, more of a fun YouTube related video. So this is the beauty guru rules on YouTube that we break.
The 10.
Yes. It's some things we noticed among a lot of YouTubers that a lot of them, do or obey by. And it's also some things that people do in the comments. So it's just a big, kind of like a funny video. It's not supposed to be taken seriously or anything. It's not supposed to be offensive or anything. It's just for fun. And we got this idea from Jessica Broadway. So we would link her channel and that specific video down below in the description box.
So a disclaimer, if any of these beauty gurus that we break work for you, that's great. You do you keep doing those things. Don't take offense, please. This video, like Jessica's, was meant to be completely fun and, just some things that we laugh about from time to time. So please don't take offense to anything we're saying. This is completely in fun.
So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one is one that I came up with, and I'm pretty happy with this one, I might say. You must apply products that are liquid form. You must drop it on your face that they do on Instagram. I do not understand the point of this. It's going to get all over. You're going to get on your clothes. You're going to make a mess, and you're just wasting product. In my opinion, it makes it look like you're doing that thing nowadays where on cakes, like how they drop the glaze on top of cakes that's dripping. It's like doing that for your face. I don't get it.
The second beauty guru rule that we break is that you have to own the entire collection from every brand. You must own every shade, every palette, every product in every range from every brand that has ever existed. And you must try and swatch everything. Yeah, we don't do that. We are a very small channel, so everything that we talk about here on YouTube is stuff that we purchase with our own money. So obviously there's no way that we could ever afford to, try every single thing. But even the bigger YouTubers out there, even when they get sent PR, they sometimes don't try everything.
Okay, next one is you must try every weird product or weird beauty trend. Now, the reason I thought of this was because of the Instagram wavy brows. I hate that. First off, it's very trippy. You don't get it. B, how do you draw that on your face? And C, that's not normal. You don't need to, put a big worm on your face. I don't get this, and you must try every weird beauty product. So, like the really eyebrow extensions. That's kind of gross looking. I'm never going to try that. The Silk Sponge. I'm not going to get into what it looks like or what it looks like its purpose is, but I don't get the purpose of the Silk Sponge or any of those really weird products.
Okay, the next beauty guru rule we break, oh my goodness, is such a tongue twister, is you must do your makeup every single day of your life, and you must post about it on Instagram. I do my makeup definitely on days that I go to work, so that's 3 days out of the week right there. And then I usually do my makeup on days that I have to run errands, like go outside of the house. So that's probably another 2 days, but I definitely do not do my makeup 7 days a week. No way. I love makeup. I love playing with beauty products, but sometimes you just need to give it a rest so that you can approach it the next time with a fresh mind and a fresh eye for it. So Emma doesn't either.
I mean, with me, I go to school 5 days a week, so I obviously have to wake up on 5 days a week. But I'm not going to post every single morning because I do the same exact makeup look. Nothing's different. Maybe my lip color is different every other day. That's it. You don't need to post out your makeup look every day because, sometimes it could be the same as another day. You don't even realize it. The next thing is you must Snapchat every single moment of your life. I am not on Snapchat. I have considered it a few times, but not on it right now. But from what I see other people doing, especially on Instagram stories, there's like 20 or 30 things on their story, and I'm trying to get through all these stories, and I can't because there's just thing after thing after thing after thing. I don't like
need
stories.
to know every single moment of your life, just like you don't need to know every single moment of ours.
Yeah.
So we don't follow that rule. The next rule that we break is that you must like every cult product. You must like it, you must love it, and if you say anything negative about it,
you're gonna get It's the same with cult dislikes, like Subculture palette, for example. So many people hated that palette, but one of the YouTubers we watched absolutely loves it. So, it's your own skin types, what you prefer, and I'm thinking about saving up my own money to buy that palette. You must have a backdrop, no matter if it's glittery, if it's, a straight pink or white, or, must have shows behind you with flowers and a lamp. Like, you must have a really nice backdrop. For us, that we really can't do that right now because we're filming in our dining room. We don't have a designated space for filming in our current house. We might when we do move eventually. But for now, that's just not a possibility for a very small channel. And maybe someday we'll have our own studio for that, like other YouTubers do.
I think the key thing with this rule is we make the best of what we've got, which is what YouTube encourages all their new creators to do. You maximize what you have on hand so that you're not pouring money into your channel from the beginning. So we actually really like the twinkle lights, and for a while, because of the setup of our house and things that were going on in the house, we had to film over in our living room with that as the backdrop. But even that was still sparse, but it was nice. So like Emma said, we don't have a designated spot that we can film in. We have to film in our dining room, but we like the twinkle lights. And last time I asked about it, you guys seem to like it too. So we don't have a backdrop and we're okay with it. Okay, the next rule that we break is you must have a sharp wing and big, full, beautiful
caterpillar lashes.
False caterpillar lashes with every makeup look. Yeah, that's not gonna work for us either. I have very, a deeply creased hooded eye. I have quite a pronounced hood. And to top it off, my eyes are downturned. And I did do a video of my own where I taught how to do winged eyeliner. But, I can do it, but it's a 50-50 shot that it's gonna look good. So wing is just not for me. I kind of owned it. I'm embracing it and moving on from it. And as far as eyelashes are concerned, if you've been watching this from the very beginning, I personally cannot wear false eyelashes, no matter what the brand, no matter what the band size, no matter how full or sparse the false eyelashes are. I cannot do it. It's just something irritates my eyes. They're just so sensitive. So that too, I'm embracing it, I'm owning it, I'm moving on from it.
With me, I'm not allowed to wear either of those right now. I mean, when I am older, can make those decisions for myself, I probably would. My issue with the false lashes is if they are extremely thick. I love voluminous lashes, I love the look of thick lashes, but when they're to the point where they look like drag lashes, like that, no, you should not do that. You must do every challenge or tag on YouTube. We have been tagged in some videos. Do the tag. There was, I think it was the how you start a YouTube tag. We decided to not do that because we weren't really liking the idea. We did do the summer tag. Look that down below and up here for you guys. Challenges and stuff like that, it's not really what we like to do. We like to do more serious things like, you know, tutorials, reviews, stuff like that. Maybe in the future we'll do more challenges.
In my opinion, I like to do challenges that are going to bring Emma and I and her dad closer together as a family. And I know that sounds kind of like, really? What are you talking about? But for example, I did a challenge where I could only do my makeup with my dominant hand. And the reason I did that is because Emma doesn't really have use of her left hand. So all of her makeup application, all of the opening of products, everything pretty much has to be done with her right hand. And that challenge really gave me insight into what makeup is like for her, like how she views the whole beauty world. And so I've been able to, when I go buy her products, I've been able to think, well, is it easy to open? Is it easy to apply? Can she do it with just one hand? So going approaching challenges like that, I like to do challenges where I feel like there's going to be a benefit on the other side of it, not just, you know, something to do for fun. And the last rule that we break, number 10, is you must know every beauty tip and trick known to man. Now, I have been blessed with having, you know, random people approach me when I'm out and about doing my errands and telling me that my makeup looks really beautiful and they really like it, asking me, you know, how did I achieve this look? And like I said, I'm completely blessed, completely flattered. I probably turn every shade of red when people compliment me like that, but I am not a makeup artist. I never have been, and I probably never will be. I don't know how to really do makeup on anyone but me and Emma. I haven't practiced on, you know, people of different skin tones, different ethnicities. Like, I've never done any of that, so I don't know very many tips and tricks, to be honest with you, but I am still learning, and that's one of the things that I really love about the makeup and the beauty world, is that there's so much to learn. There's so many tips, techniques, and tricks that you can learn, and it's like never ending. It never stops. So I'm okay with not knowing everything. I'd like to keep learning as time goes by.
And with me, learning is just part of life. You learn something new every day.
And that is it for this 10 beauty guru rules that we break video. We really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give us a big thumbs up down below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. We do post 2 beauty videos a week. On Mondays is Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays is either Teen Take with Emma or Mom Moment with me. If you haven't done so already, please do hit that subscribe button and then hit the little bell that is right next to it, because YouTube is not always putting new videos from us or other people that you're subscribed to into your subscription feed. Sometimes those videos do get lost, but if you hit that little bell, you're going to be notified that we upload a video and you won't miss anything that we post. In the comment section below, let us know what beauty guru rules you break. What are some things that you kind of just throw out the window and just doesn't work for you? We'd love to know. Sometimes we can get some really funny comments.
And also comment down below if you want me to do a tea take on this eye look. I personally love this palette that I use. It's the Chocolate Hill Morphe palette. Great palette. Love this eye look. So tell me what you think.
Thank you so very much for watching. We really do appreciate it, and we'll see you in our next Mom and Me video.
Bye everyone.